Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to install application for your headphones QCY T13 on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store. Now go to search, click on search line and write QCY. Then search and install this application. Now open it. Agree, next, skip, finish. Now you should enter to your account. Click I have read and login. Hello, and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!